All right. So we're going to kind of wrap things up here with M95580 from Bernini. This is our 40-foot chroma colored metal garden hose. It comes in a couple of different colors for you, and I'm going to eventually need my card here because I'm not that good. I can remember everything. Normally, these were priced at $71. Clearance price is $41.99. 5 easy pays at $8.40 with free shipping and handling. Thank you, love. Much appreciated. All right, there you can see all cool to the touch, UV resistant, corrosion resistant. It coils itself back up. Bernini is known for their hoses around here, without a doubt. It kind of, did you see how it self-coils? It goes back to where you wanted it. It has a fireman-style nozzle on it. Oh, here it is. Here's one that I could show you. So you have the nozzle, it comes with it, or you could certainly put, you know, any other nozzle on it if you would like. This is part of the 90-degree pull test. This reinforces it. Well, I guess I should show you on this end. This reinforces it, so where you attach it to the spigot, you know how you attach it to the spigot? If you were to pull it, it won't rip off of the spigot, which is a problem if you don't have something to reinforce it like this. Let's talk colors before we go into any more details for you. This color is going to be coral. That's really pretty. It's like an orange color. Really, really cool. And then here is the lavender. Look at this. If you're a purple gal, or it matches, you know, maybe the color that you have in your rugs and your outdoor furniture. And then look at the pretty blue. This is cobalt blue. Which is gorgeous. Think about buying it now because it's 40% off, not because we didn't like it, because we aren't going to go forward with them. I think that's really important for you to realize. And here's the cool thing. This is 40 feet of hose. It's light. How many of you, when we get to spring, and the first nice warm day, you're going to go into your shed, your garage, wherever you store things, and pull out that old green, heavy, dirty, icky hose that when you go around the side of your house, it gets a kink in it and it never works the same again. You don't ever have that problem with these hoses. That's the cool thing about this. And this hose is retractable, as you could tell. It is chroma color, so that won't come off. You don't have to worry about it. It's 40 feet. It won't kink for you like a regular fabric hose would, or, you know, that green hose that we had for years before anybody ever thought about it. In fact, take a look at this. I mean, talk about a torture test. I mean, come on. It's puncture resistant. It will stay cooler in the sun. It does not make the water hot in the sun, so you don't have to worry about it. It is UV resistant, so it won't break down. And now it won't be laying all over your lawn because it actually comes back to you. Cool to the touch, corrosion resistant. That fireman's nozzle will give you enough power. And that's what I was talking about. It sort of puts itself away, and you can get, you know, a bucket or however. We have a hose holder stake that you could always purchase that. Or again, if you have the half round, I have the half round because I have these at home, and they work great. Now's the time to replace those hoses. Could you add more than one? Yeah, I think you could put up at least 3 of these hoses together. And what are you going to use it for? Your lawn, to do spring cleaning, wash the car, the van, the boat, whatever the case may be. Remember, you even get the nozzle with this, and free shipping and handling, saving you $5.50. It's M95580. If you are interested in their Easy Grip nozzle from Bernini, it's M94452. Go check that out because you still have a couple minutes to take advantage of the free shipping and handling. And we have a hose holder stake, M94459.